In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate consistent results with AdSense Arbitrage without facing any issues of ban or ad limits along the line. Generally, you can see my AdSense dashboard and you can see what I've done so far on this account today, and you can see what we have done so far this month. Now, on the balance, you can see that there's already an awaiting payment on the balance, and this payment is a payment of last month's work. And through that last month, around 21st, we also received payments of our last 2 months' work. And you can see it over here that the pending payment is on the balance, and you can see what was paid on the 21st of last month. So I've been working on this account for generally like 3 months now consistently, and we have been pushing in more traffic on it. So that is to show you that the method is very, very generally safe. Now, for those of you that are new to AdSense Arbitrage is generally buying cheap traffic and pushing it to your site to get good ROI. Now, for this cheap traffic, normally if you're new, you go and buy traffic from anywhere, random traffic, send it. Those are the things that usually get account banned or get it suspended. You have to be technical and tactical about how you push your traffic and how you manage your traffic. So for you to get consistent returns like this and consistent results, there are three major things you need to focus on when pushing traffic to your site. Number one, you need to make sure that the traffic you're pushing into your site are coming for tier one countries. That one is very, very important. Even if you can see for here now that this site I'm working with is a good site, you can see that the RPM is high. If your niche is not a good RPM niche, that tier one traffic is very, very important. Secondly, you need to learn how to optimize your ads placement properly. That is very, very important. Your ad placement is very, very important. And thirdly, you need to make sure that every content on that site is going to be relatable with any visitor that is coming into that site, so that any visitor that is coming into the site are coming there to really learn something. Alongside learning something, they can now go through and click on your ad, which will make your whole traffic come natural and smooth without you facing any issues on this account. And normally, I also work on this method with also automation method. And the reason I use automation method for this method is to manage my CTR. If you're used to arbitrage, you know that arbitrage normally skyrockets CTR so high. So we make use of this to make the automation method to manage the CTR. So we don't just majorly use bots to push in traffic. Majorly of the traffic is coming from arbitrage. The bot is just used to control everything that's going on the site. Okay. Now, if you're interested in learning this, how this works, you can check out the link in the description box, reach out to me. And if you also have a good account for partnership, you will want also partnership and work on your account and share revenue, you can also click on the same link to reach out to me. I'll keep you guys updated on what's working on AdSense Arbitrage. So I want you guys to stay tuned. And if you're new to this channel, you can quickly go and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification for all, so that whenever I drop a video on this channel, you'll quickly get notified. All right, stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video.